Hey guys, thanks for joining in. In today's episode, we will discuss what happens if your acquisition manager is busy and he cannot attend your phone call, or a call comes in after hours or over the weekend. So, in this scenario, you have two options. First, you can get Pat Live, or second, you can go through Callfire. These are the two vendors that will provide you services. You can check out their website for their rates. So what happens is you want to give them a simple script that clearly states that they are only receptionists and they are collecting their name, phone number, and property address, and then they will relay that info to a team member who then will call them back. You want to keep it as simple and straightforward for these Pat Live or Callfire people, so there are no quality issues at all. That's pretty much about it. So I hope you found something valuable in this short episode here, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, and if you think somebody can benefit from this information, make sure to tag or share with them. Thank you. Have a good day.